Hi, I'm Hetty Bryant and I'll be lecturing in Leadership and Social Impact. Welcome to the subject. I've had a little look and I've seen that there's about 14 of you and I've lectured all of you. So it'll be a really small collaborative community that we can foster this session. The subject is quite a different one. I've been teaching this for the last maybe 4 or 5 years, and we've just refreshed it last year. The actual orientation of the subject is more on how you as a leader and in leadership work with others to create social impact. So we're going to look at the social purpose economy. We're going to look at organisations that work for social impact, and we can also look at your own organisation and how you create social impact within that as well. The subject is really grounded in action learning. So we believe that you learn really well when you learn with others. And so action learning is a process whereby we will put you together in groups. I've already formed those groups, and you'll actually explore with that group over the session what are the different approaches to leading for social impact. What are some of the frameworks? What are some of the practical things you can do? And you will work together and share ideas on what you wish to do to co-create a framework for leadership and social impact. So have a little look on the site, work through, see what the main learning content is. Have a look particularly at the action learning, which is in module 3. Start connecting with your group. There's 3 groups, and then you'll be ready for the session when we start. I think it's on the 12th of July. But if you have any questions beforehand, don't hesitate to send me an email. I only work very part-time now, so I will always get back to you within 3 working days. And if you want to have a chat with me, just send me an email and we can work out a mutual time to connect. So I'm pretty energised and pretty excited about teaching you this session, and I hope that you'll enjoy. Cheers.